this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice star white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package as well as the Lariat Sport package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. You do have that nice tow hitch, backup camera right there. We also have mud flaps in both rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board. You have a side view camera, blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice black perforated leathering with brown accents, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system, brown leathering on the door, and of course if you don't need that extra person in the back, you can always fold that down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. We do have 2 cup holders there, 2 heated back seats, a 12-volt outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120 right there. We also have twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and of course if you need more room, you can always lift up the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with the same black leathering we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space again, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. We have that nice brown accent again, your parking brakes there, pedal adjusters, tailgate light, lights in general, blind spot, and tailgate opener. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 42.8 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated with some light gray accents. You have your toggle for your main menu, phone, and media. You have your cruise control, volume, and voice right there. Looking at your main screen, you have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Looking over here, you have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift where you can adjust your speeds. It's also collapsible, providing you with more space. Nice little storage here. 2 cup holders, a fair bit of storage here with a wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and this does close. We have a nice brown leather center console with a fair bit of storage with the USB and USB-C. We have a rear axle lock, drive modes, 4-wheel drive capabilities, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist. We have heated and cooled front seats, 12-volt outlet, 120 auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction control. You also get a little bit of storage here with the same brown leathering we saw on the door, which is pretty nice. We also have this button here that opens for more storage and storage in the glove compartment. And right here, we have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which we did see earlier, and our features for our rear window opener, which is pretty handy. Now looking at our main screen, you do have your audio, which is Sirius XM capable. You have your phone, navigation of course, your Fave app, which you can set up however you like, such as messaging, email, hotspot, apps in general, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as phone, navigation, so on and so forth, and features such as zone lighting, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC13062, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.